Hey guys, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can set up your discounts and your deposits. Now, whether you're a manufacturer or you're a dealer, this will apply the same way. What we're going to do is we're going to change these deposits and discounts. So if you're a dealer and you're using that compare feature, that you can actually see a better example of what that building might cost through a different manufacturer. So it's important to set up these discounts specifically and their deposits so you can have a better understanding of what it's going to cost. Manufacturers, on the other hand, you're going to watch this video so that you can see how you can set up your discounts and your deposits in your settings. That way anybody using your pricing options in Sensei to create and price their buildings will see an accurate discount and deposit that's current with your current offerings, right? So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in this video. It's very simple, very easy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings at the top, and we're going to go into business settings here, and we're going to look for manufacturer settings. So I have a lot of different manufacturers in my demo account here that we do these videos with. I'm going to go to the search bar, which you guys can use, and I'm going to look for testing metal carport. Manufacturers, this part is for you. If you're a dealer, skip ahead just a little bit and watch this next part of the video. But manufacturers, this is for you. The first thing that you're going to look for is right underneath your manufacturer name, you're going to look for discount details. As you can see, this manufacturer for this test already has a 10% discount where we can edit that discount, right? So I'm going to click edit. If you don't have one already, it'll say create. Same thing, looks exactly the same. We're going to click edit. We're going to go down here where it says that discount. I'm going to delete that for a second. Hit OK. And this is what it's going to look like if you do not have a current discount set up. So for this example, I'm going to say price from 0 up to 15,000 is going to get a 10% discount. We're going to select the states that it applies. I'm going to select all, and then of course I would unselect some of the different types of states out there. Like I'm going to unselect Florida. I'm not going to do this in Mississippi, Wyoming, and Washington, for example. So you really get to control what states these apply to, and then I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to make sure that I click save here. And what that does is that applies that discount. Now we all know that over 15,000 might have an additional discount, right? So I'm going to add a new discount, and from $15,001 to, let's say, $999 million, we're going to give a 25% discount that is applicable to every single state. We're going to save that, and we're going to save it once more. What this does is anytime your dealers or yourself is pricing a building, let's say in Colorado, which is in both of these examples here, the moment that building goes over $15,000, it's going to revert from a 10% discount to a 25% discount automatically. So it saves you guys a lot of time and money. The last thing you need to do is click that blue save button to make sure that it is applied. And that is how manufacturers can set your discounts right from the Sensei settings. So this part is going to be for the dealers, right? So this is how you can add the manufacturer discounts on your end. So you will go underneath this manufacturer page, look for manufacturer discount here at the bottom, and you're going to go price from 0 to 15,000, and the discount's going to be 10%. We're going to select the stages. We're going to select all, unselect Florida, Wyoming, and Mississippi, and click save. And then we're going to click the save icon here on the right just to make sure that we have that. And then before we save everything, we're going to also do our remaining discount, which will be $15,001 to that $999 million that we talked about earlier. And that discount is going to be 25%. For this one, it will be for all states we serve and cover. We're going to click the save button one more time, and then the final blue save button as well. So that is actually how you can set up your discounts from a manufacturer or a user or a dealer perspective. Now dealers, you're also going to want to set up your commissions, right? So if you look just left of where we were at, you'll see commission details. We can hit this button, add commission, and then this from price from 0 to $15,000, we actually get a 15% commission. We'll make sure that we save that. And then of course from $15,001 up to that $999 million, we're gonna get 18%, and we're gonna click save. What that does is automatically, anytime you go into the 3D designer, it's going to apply these discounts and percentages of commissions based off of those building amounts. So it's one less step for you, and that is what we are dedicated here at Sensei. We want to make this as easy as possible. Taking 2 seconds to set up your discounts and commissions is one way that you guys can get ahead of the competition by using Sensei. Guys, we appreciate the support. We look forward to working with you all in the near future, but until then, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.